Hello everybody, I hope you're doing great and feeling well. Welcome back to one more video from hyperpix.net. I'm Mary, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your text or logo into this so magnificent chrome metal text effect just with a single click. So if you like to have this template, if you like to download it, access it, all you need to do is to just refer hyperpix.net, join our VIP membership, and are going to access this style and every other single template or text effect which you see in a website. This style works on all different languages. For instance, this is how it works on Japanese. Just check out the brilliant details and how amazing it works on this language. So any other phone, any other language, or every other single logo you want to use and convert it into this brilliant metal style, you can do so, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so without needing any professional knowledge in Photoshop. So just follow me to the end of the video and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So to get started, just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. So in the window which we have right here, you can just double click on the text layer and edit every single text you see over here. Or for instance, you can just customize a little more, or just change around the font or the size. For instance, I'm going to place the text in the center right here. The same with the text at the bottom. I'm going to edit it like this. I'm going to do a little customizing here. So I think it's excellent right here. Everything's perfect. So also you can just use one text or just have both remaining as the default, or even more text. So we're going to close and click save. So as you see how easy and simple without doing any extra work or going through any trouble, how so brilliant 3D effect is converted and applied. So if you want a transparent, just need to switch off the background layer, and as you see how professional and clean and neat we have it in a transparent, just need to get a PNG outcome and use it in all your different projects and have so much fun. So the text at the bottom, as you see, is editable as well, or you can just remove the whole thing if you don't want it remaining. So as I promised earlier, I'm going to show you how you can convert the style and use it on a logo. So we come back to this window right here. I'm going to just insert my logo. So I'm going to use to add this logo, just place it right in the center right here. So we don't need these two texts, just remove them. I'm just going to bring it a little up. So everything's excellent. We'll close and click save. And here we go. This is our result. Just check out how amazing it is without doing any extra work. And here we go. So I think it's so interesting. And this is the result of hours of our designers working on this template to design it for you, but you was able to work with it in just a few minutes. So you can just get our VIP membership, join the account, and you're going to access every single product you see in hyperpix.net and use them in all your different projects. So I'll be so thankful if you like this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye to a next video from Mary.